The cost to replace a BMW K Series engine can vary significantly based on a few key factors. Let's break it down. Labor cost. One of the biggest variables is labor. Labor rates differ from place to place, and specialized BMW mechanics will charge more. On average, labor costs can range from $85 to $150 per hour. Replacing a motorcycle engine is a labor-intensive job, often requiring upwards of 10-20 hours of work. Cost of the engine. Another significant factor is the cost of the replacement engine itself. If you go for a brand new engine from BMW, the cost can be quite high, typically ranging from $3,000 to $6,000 or even more, depending on the specific model and year. However, if you opt for a used or refurbished engine, you might find prices ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. The age, condition, and mileage of the used engine will play a large part in determining the price. Additional parts and consumables. Don't forget about the additional parts and consumables that will be needed: gaskets, seals, fluids, and sometimes even new mounts or hoses. These can add another several $100s to your bill. Where you live. Geographical location can also influence the overall cost. In places with a high cost of living or where specialized mechanics are rarer, like Portland, Oregon, expect to pay a premium for both parts and labor. Additional considerations. Always keep in mind the potential for unforeseen costs. Once the engine is out, a mechanic might discover other issues that need attention. It's always a good idea to budget an extra 10 to 20% just in case. Final estimates. So, in total, you're looking at a range anywhere from about $5,000 to $10,000 depending on all these variables. Doing a proper cost-benefit analysis is essential. Sometimes it might be worth considering if investing in a new or newer motorcycle may be a more economical choice in the long run. But if you're committed to your BMW K Series, knowing what to expect financially helps you prepare better. Hope that helps anyone who's looking at taking on this significant but rewarding project.